The federal government just started giving every American newborn $1,000 to invest for their future. Most new parents have no idea this exists. I'll explain what these new Trump accounts are, who qualifies, and exactly how to make sure your child gets theirs. They're officially called Trump accounts, established under the budget package signed in 2025. Every U.S. citizen baby born from 2025 through 2028 is eligible for a $1,000 federal seed deposit. The money is automatically invested in a low-cost index fund tracking U.S. stocks, and it grows tax-deferred for decades. Step 1. Eligibility. To get the seed deposit, your baby must be born between 2025 and 2028, be a U.S. citizen with a Social Security number, and you must claim them as a dependent on your federal tax return. The IRS opens the account in your child's name. No application form. It happens through your tax filing. Step 2. The investment. The $1,000 is automatically placed in a low-cost, diversified U.S. stock index fund. You don't have to pick anything. Over 18 years at a normal long-term return, that single $1,000 seed could grow to roughly $3,400 on its own. And that's if no one ever adds another penny. Step 3, and this is where it gets powerful. You, family members, even your employer can contribute additional money to the account each year, up to an annual limit set by the law. Contributing even $50 a month from birth can turn the account into a multi-tens of thousands head start by college age. This is where Trump accounts go from nice freebie to family wealth building tool. Step 4. Access. At age 18, the child can use the money for qualified purposes: higher education, job training, a first home down payment, or starting a small business. After standard retirement age, it can be used like a retirement account. Non-qualified withdrawals before retirement age trigger tax plus a penalty. Same idea as a 401k. So the system gently encourages long-term use. Step 5. The action. When you file your federal tax return for the year your child was born, claim them as a dependent and make sure they have a Social Security number. That's the trigger. The account is created automatically by the Treasury. Then, and this is the move most parents miss, set up a monthly contribution. Even $10 a month builds the habit and dramatically grows the account. 2 big mistakes. 1. Assuming you have to do something special to open it. You don't. You just file taxes correctly. 2. Treating the seed as the whole gift. The seed is the spark. The match it lights, your monthly contributions over 18 years, is where the real wealth is. Skip the contributions and you've left 90% of the value on the table. So, every American baby born 2025 through 2028 gets $1,000 seeded into a tax-deferred index fund account. Eligibility is automatic when you file taxes with the child's Social Security number. Add monthly contributions, and you're building a serious head start before kindergarten. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lesson school skipped. And next we cover an account upgrade that just opened to millions more Americans starting January 2026. See you there.